All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So independent. Independent. Yeah, so here we are, like going his own way. Yeah. Not reliant. Reliant on anyone or anything. Yeah, like he's going your own way. Yeah, here we are, independent, going his own way. Everyone's going this way, and the independent goes that way. Does his own thing. I am an independent man. She wants to be an independent woman. He has been independent for years. They are not very independent. It is an independent idea, party, book, concept. It's an independent dog, tool, device. Yeah. So I am independent, and I think it is awesome. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I, she, he, they, it. Nice. So they want their independence. They will be independent in the future. Yeah. How cool is that? They gained their independence last year. Yeah. How cool is that? I've been independent for a long time, not relying for help on other people. Independent, my own person. How cool is that? She is earning her independence. She is slowly working towards being independent. Yeah. Yeah. Independent, yeah. Slowly working towards being independent. This time next year, they will have gained their independence. Very important, yeah. They will have gained more independence by being able to support themselves financially. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Independent, being your own person. Being your own person and master. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, independent. Now, can you write it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.